In this support video, we will be replacing the cooktop switch for the wall oven models 1388 and 1371. First, shut off the power to the unit. Next, remove the screws under the control panel. Remove the screws on top of the control panel. Remove all the knobs. Remove the screws holding the knob rings. Remove the side screws. Disconnect all the wire harness going to the switches. Gently pull out the control panel. Locate the cooking switch and remove the wire harness. With your new cooking switch, place into position and fasten the wire harness. Place back the control panel and reconnect all the knobs. Screw back the control panel, and this completes the installation.